This is section 13.5. This is the second part of the video. We're going to solve the right triangle using sine and cosine. So in number 1, we have an acute angle that's not special. We have a leg that is opposite of that angle, and we have a hypotenuse that's given. When this happens, opposite and hypotenuse, you need to use sine. Sine of your angle, 57, equals the opposite over the hypotenuse. Variables on top, so multiply. X equals 12 sine 57. Take a second and type that in. If you don't have a calculator, please get one. You end up with 10.06. And that makes sense to me. It's less than 12, which is the hypotenuse. In number 2, again, you have a right triangle. The acute angle is not special. This is your adjacent leg, and this is your hypotenuse. Anytime you have an adjacent and a hypotenuse, you need to use cosine. Cosine of your angle equals the adjacent over the hypotenuse. Variables on top, so we're going to multiply. 18 cosine 29. That's going to give you a decimal. 15.74. And again, it makes sense. It's less than the hypotenuse. So notice how this works out exactly the way tangent did, except you're pressing a different button. This time the hypotenuse is involved, so you can't use tangent. Let's try another one. Our angle is not special. That's our adjacent. That's our hypotenuse. So we're going to use cosine. Cosine of 41 equals 7 over W. That means you got to divide. 7 divided by cosine 41. That gives you 9.28. That is my hypotenuse. It better be bigger than my leg, which was 7. Number 4, our acute angle is not special. We have an opposite leg and a hypotenuse. That tells me to use sine. Angle goes in parentheses. Opposite on top, hypotenuse on the bottom. You're dividing this time. 9 divided by sine 34. This gives me 16.09. That's my hypotenuse. It better be the biggest side. Okay? Just like tangent, except now you have a hypotenuse, so you can't use tangent. Do the same thing when your angle measure is missing. If you want angle L, we're calling that X. That 8 is your opposite, the 11 is your hypotenuse. This means use sine. Sine of your unknown equals 8/11. So you have to use inverse sine. Tangent had an inverse. Sine does also. Hit the second button first. Anytime you want an angle, hit the second button first, whether it's sine, cosine, or tangent. $46.66. Number 6, we have an adjacent leg and a hypotenuse. That means cosine. Cosine of our angle equals 8.5 divided by your hypotenuse. So I'm going to do inverse cosine of that fraction. So hit the second button, then cosine. 8.5 on top, 25.3 on the bottom. This gives me 70.37.